So here, I'm going to show you some, and you're going to tell us what this is. What is that?
Geranium.
Geranium. What is this?
K potassium.
K-potassium. You want to tell me some facts about that?
Yes. And it's in bananas.
Found them in bananas.
And that's why your bananas also helps our nose function. That means what? With sends our brain information to our muscles.
Wow. You must eat lots of bananas. And this is?
Iodine.
Iodine.
It is bacteria.
Kills bacteria.
Yes, it does kill bacteria. And this is?
Taurine.
Chlorine. And this is?
Strontium. It's in fireworks to make them red, and also during the dark paint.
What is strontium? What is it?
Strontium.
Sorry. What is this?
Phosphorus.
Phosphorus. They all look alike to me. I don't know what. And what is phosphorus? Tell me about that.
It's a chameleon.
It is a chameleon. Why is that?
And that means it could be different colors.
That's
like
right.
Black or white. When it's white, it catches fire in the air and also burn underwater.
It burns underwater.
Isn't that crazy?
It is crazy. It is crazy. And this is?
Tantium. It found in the Demetrius Republic of the Tondo in Africa. And if you have a map, I could show you.
I still wouldn't know what is. How do you remember? You're 3 years old. How do you remember all this?
My new brain just remembers.
Your little brain just remembers? I think it's a big brain. I think it's a big